In this video, we will discuss the examples of undefined, null and NaN. So, here I have taken a variable named const, which is null. I have given it a null value. After giving it null, I have console.log the name. So, let's check its development. What is its value in console.log? So, what I will do to it is, I will open it with any browser. I've done it, and now what we have to do is inspect it and get the value. Over here, click console and look. What we get is null. The value is null. Now let's see how we can get undefined value. So here I am taking another value. Let result using the name res. Now I will console.log the res. Here I have not given a value but consoled it directly. So let's go and see what the value is now. I refresh the page and let inspect it. And go to console and the answer is null, which means it hasn't been printed. Let's see what the problem is. So console.log.result. The file had not been saved. So let's go again. So what I have here is undefined value. This is done. Now let's check when do we get not a number. Here, example, let's comment this out. So guys, don't get confused. I will uncomment this. What I have done here is, I have taken a variable a, z plus null. What will be the answer? The answer will be null because it is storing null values. Similarly, I will multiply 7 with this. What will be the answer in the second one? 0 because it is being multiplied with null. So the answer has to be 0. So let's check these two things. I will refresh it from here. So I have 7 in the first one and 0 in the second one. Similarly, let's do sum for not a number. So in 8 there is undefined. So it will say that you are adding something else to a number. It will say not a number. So let's save it. Run it again, refresh it. It says not a number. So we will check it by multiplying it with this. So it tells us. Saving it again, not a number. Refresh the page from here and so it says not a number. So for console we get the result, not a number for the solution of the numbers. For console we add the two numbers and come to the conclusion these are not a number. So this was a small example of it. What you have to remember there is that when you inspect it, we can inspect by using shortcut and also by right-clicking it. Go to console and preserve log should not be selected. It should be unselected. Only then can you see the messages of console.log. Console log is used for debugging. It is for us to use. If an error comes, error can also appear. We can search why we are having an error and what we did wrong in the code. So it is for our own understanding. It is not linked with output. We do our own debugging in here.